Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this object-oriented design course. Okay, for integrated MTech 4th semester. Okay, so the course ID is CA524 for 3 credits. I am Dr. Satish Narayana Sriraman. Okay, an associate professor at School of Computers and Information Sciences, University of Hyderabad. As part of this lecture, this course, we also have a related lab, Java lab, again for integrated MTech 4. Okay, so which is a 2 credit course. Okay, I'll be teaching both of these things for you, okay, with the help of some teaching assistants. So as part of this introduction, I will be giving like a quick review about what are the course outcomes, okay, what is the outline of the course, and then like what is the grading rules for this course. So I'll be talking about all these things. Regarding the course outcomes are concerned, okay, so once you finish with this course, you will be able to describe the object-oriented design concepts, okay, so that means you will understand these things, and you will be able to analyze a given computational problem, okay, and then be able to design the classes for a given computational problem, and then you will be able to apply the UML concepts to model a particular problem. Okay, these are some of the critical outcomes we are trying to achieve. Okay, and then like you will also be able to create Java programs for the object-oriented design of the given problem. Okay, so you will be learning Java as well. Okay, and then like you will be able to create Java programs which actually require a little bit advanced features of Java, such as like exception handling, interfaces, and then like GUI packages, etc. Okay, so you will be learning all the things, and these will be the course outcomes. So as part of the course outline is concerned, in unit 1, like you will be discussing about object-oriented fundamentals and modeling. Okay, as part of that, we will discuss about object-oriented development, how you will be modeling and what is modeling, etc. Okay, we will also be going in deep about what are objects and class concepts, etc. You will be learning as part of unit 1. As part of unit 2, like we will be discussing about Java basics. Okay, so we will see like what are different Java data types, and then like classes, objects, interfaces, etc. Okay. So then as part of the unit 3, like we'll be discussing about state modeling and interaction modeling. Okay, so we'll discuss about state diagram, sequence model, activity model, etc. In unit 4, like we'll continue with whatever the Java basics we have learned. Okay, so we'll be looking at generalization, aggregation, what is inheritance, exception handling in Java, etc. we'll be learning. Okay, then in unit 5, like we'll be looking at the system design, class design, and implementation modeling. Okay, we'll be especially focusing at performance estimation, reuse plans, subsystems, management of data storage and global resources, and realizing different use cases, etc. We'll be learning all these things. Okay, so we'll go step by step. Since this is both a lecture course and a lab course, okay, we will be going with both these object-oriented design and Java development streams in parallel. Okay, so that means like already from the first week we will start with both unit 1 and unit 2. As part of the lectures, I will be putting these videos for this sort of object-oriented design part. Okay, and then like in parallel as part of the labs, like we will start with this Java basics. Since this is asynchronous learning, okay, that's what the university still puts a restriction on us. Okay, I'll be putting the videos well in advance or during those the time. Okay, during the session times. Okay, which is currently on Wednesdays. Okay, from 9 to 11. There is one more session on Friday. Okay, so I'll be putting these videos, and during the session times, I will be online. So check through the videos during those session times, and if you have any doubts, you can actually ask me. Okay, I'll create a Google Meet. Okay, so and then like I will share the links with all of you, and then like I will be putting the things. Okay, so you can ask me the questions. I will be answering them, try to clarify those things, and I will also put those videos on. Okay, at the end of the session. That's how we will be learning as part of this asynchronous learning. Okay. As far as the labs are concerned, okay, since labs are like direct programming, you have to do them synchronously. Okay, so probably like labs will be a little bit in synchronous mode. That means like again with Google Meet. Okay, so you will be there online, and then like we will demonstrate you the programs, and then like you will be learning them, and then there will be assignments. As far as the grading is concerned, for the theoretical part of the course, we will conduct minus, 3 minus, and we will basically take best of the 2 minus. Okay. Okay, and then there will be also be a final examination. Okay, hope that is clear. Then as far as the lab part is concerned, there will be different exercises which will be given to you every week. Okay, so there will be, that means like around 12 exercises, and we will take the best 10 of these 12 exercises, and these things will be for 50% of the total. So now that we have experience for one semester about how online teaching goes, how online grading goes, okay, now all of you are proficient about. Okay, we very clearly know that if we don't give you very clear deadlines, like all the things will be cluttered at the end. We don't want to do that again. Okay, so last semester, like we have seen with certain process, those problems appearing. So what we do is like all these lab exercises which we give every week, there will be a strict deadline of 1 week for submitting those things. Okay. So the lab exercises are to be submitted within a week. Clear deadlines will be mentioned after every exercise we put them. Okay. And to basically force you to do the things in proper. Okay. For late submissions, we will penalize you 10% of the total will be deducted per day, per 1 day delay. Okay. So basically, like that means like whatever the things like you score in that particular lab exercise. Okay, say for example, if you are late by 2 days, whatever the score you will achieve, 80% of that total will be the actual score which we will be giving you. Okay, so we sincerely suggest you, all of you, strictly follow the deadlines. See, the point is like as long as you keep on working with the things, okay, you continuously learn the thing, it will make your life easy. Okay, so that's what we will be actually pushing. And this 10% deduction will continue up to 5 days, so that by the time like it's already comes to 50%, after that we don't want to reduce anything further. We will be giving you, like say for example, in the second week, like after 5 days, like 50% is already lost, till there will be 2 more days, okay, before the actual finishing of these 2 weeks. Okay, since the time like we put the exercises online. Okay, so during those 2 or 3 days, extra days, you will be still be able to submit your lab exercises, and they will be graded for 50% of the score. Remember these things. Okay. So due to any simple reasons, like even if you miss one of the exercises, okay, and if you miss the deadline and so on, so you don't have to worry, because like we will be giving 12 exercises and we will be grading only 10 of you. Okay, we will be taking best 10 of your 12 exercises. Okay, so that will basically balance the things out. Of course, there can be some unavoidable circumstances, somebody feeling falling sick or like ill, okay, because of these unfortunate COVID situations, okay, which are going around. In such a case, like the student can inform us well in advance. It is case by case. Okay, that student will basically inform us, okay, well in advance, and at the end, like he will basically submit the documents officially from the doctor, okay, or from the agency which actually certifies like he could not attend because of certain reasons or whatever it is. Remember these things, don't abuse these unavoidable circumstances. It is purely for some circumstances where like the student cannot attend. Okay, that's not just for this course but for every other course. Okay, and then there should be an official proof which should basically come through the university. Okay, through the admin channels and through the dean, like it has to come to us, then we basically take it. Okay, for the lab part as well, like we will conduct minors. Okay, so again, like there will be 3 minors, and we will take best 2 of these 3 minors. That again will contribute to 50% of the total. So regarding the references and books are concerned, okay, now that you already know like the object-oriented design, this will be the Moodle link. For the lab part, this is the Moodle link, okay. So both will be at scislearn1.uohyd.ac.in. Regarding the theory part is concerned, so I will be following this object-oriented modeling and design with UML, okay. This is the second edition from Michael R. Blaha and then like James R. Rumbach, okay. So basically, this is from Pearson edition, Eastern Economy edition. Okay, there are a lot of books, copies available in our library. Okay, so follow this book. And then like regarding the Java, so as far as the reference is concerned, the complete reference is a very good one. Okay, so from Herbert Shields, McGrails. Okay, so these will be the reference and books, and any other references which we follow. Okay, we will keep on updating you. Okay, along with those respective slides. Okay. Thank you. Happy learning. Okay. So once again, what I'm trying to say is like this is asynchronous learning. So we'll be preparing these videos well in advance and we'll be putting them online, okay, on our Moodle pages, okay. So during the course hours, okay, you study them, and myself will be online, okay. You can basically ask us if you have any doubts, okay. Thank you very much.